Crispy on the outside, gooey in the middle. These are the only chocolate chip cookies I make anymore, and there are 3 little things that make them turn out like this every single time. Let's go. Here's everything you need. Butter, brown sugar, white sugar, 1 egg plus an extra yolk, vanilla, flour, baking soda, salt, and way too much chocolate. Full amounts are on screen at the end, so don't write anything down. Rule 1, brown your butter. Rule number 1, brown your butter. Melt it on medium and just keep swirling. It'll foam up, then go quiet, and then you'll see little golden brown bits at the bottom. Pull it right there and let it cool for 10 minutes so it doesn't scramble the eggs. Both sugars into the butter, mostly brown, that's where the chewy comes from. Whisk it a minute till it looks like caramel. Then rule number 2, 1 whole egg and 1 extra yolk. That yolk is the gooey center. Vanilla and whisk till it's glossy and thick. Flour, baking soda, salt. Fold, don't beat, just until you can't see dry flour. Overmixing is how you get tough cookies. Now the chocolate. Half chips and half a chopped bar. The chunks melt into puddles, the chips hold their shape. Fold it in. Big scoops like 3 tablespoons big. And rule number 3, chill them. 30 minutes minimum. Cold dough spreads slower, edges crisp, middle stays soft. Baking and cooling 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. Watch through the door. Golden edges and a middle that still looks a little undone. Out they come. Tap the tray once. Flaky salt. And now the hardest part. Leave them alone for 5 minutes. Okay, look at that. Crispy edge, gooey middle every time. Full recipe is on screen right now. Screenshot it, save it. Make them tonight. See you in the next one.